Hello everyone and welcome back. In this clip we're going to look at printing charts. Printing charts is very similar to printing worksheets, but there are a couple of things you can do with graphic objects and charts that are specific to them, and we'll look at them at the end of this clip. So first of all, let's just set up the sheet for print as we did in the previous clip. So basically we'll pick a page layout and we'll go to orientation and portrait. That's what we want. Size, we want A4. Print area, so we're going to set the print area here, so out to W here I think. Print area, and set the print area based on that selection. Now we do the page breaks, so we go to view and page break preview, and here you can see that the dotted line is going down the middle here. We want to print the whole chart, not half a chart on one page, half a chart on another page, so we will quite happily drag that out. And if I have a look down here, this is the page break here, so we can move that up so that this chart now is on page 2. At this stage now we'll put in our headers and footers, so we'll change the view to page layout view. We'll add our header, and as we did in the previous time, we'll put in page 1 of, and then we'll Control X that and put it there. We'll put in our print title. And we'll just increase that a bit, make it bold. We put in the print information here. So header and footer again. And we'll say current date, current time. Pop down to the footer. And we'll the file is there, we'll put in the name. Okay, and then we'll pop back to normal view. We'll have a quick print preview of that to see what that looks like. And now we can see sale of charts, page 1 of 2, etc. And there are our charts. So that's the same setup pretty much as the worksheet. But as these are objects, we can decide which objects to print or which objects not to print, should we wish. So let's just have a look and see how that's done. So for this particular printout, I don't want to print the pie chart down here. So if I right click on that, format chart area, go to size and properties, and then say don't print object down here. That means that object won't be printed. We can do similar for the timelines. This instance, I think they serve a purpose, but should you wish not to print the timelines and slicers, you do the same thing. Right click on the timeline, size and properties, and say don't print object. Exact same thing. Now if we go to print preview, so go to print preview, and we'll have a look. And now we'll see that the pie chart doesn't print anymore. That can be done for any of those charts on the sheet. If you want to print just a single chart, so just the sales of furniture, select the chart, go to File, Print, and in this instance the setting is print the selected chart, and it will only print that one chart on the page. Not the most pretty thing to do, but if you just want one chart quickly, that's a way to do it. One more setting we look at that we haven't looked at before. If we select the page layout tab and go to margins and custom margins, we can center the charts horizontally on the page, which always looks good when you're printing. So if we do that and page preview, we'll now see that the charts are nicely centered on the page and everything is all set up. Very similar to worksheet, but as you're working with objects, you have some added options that you didn't have with the data. Have a bit of fun with that, and I'll see you next time. All the best. Bye for now.